Back again with another video for you guys. Myself, Danny, and Keon on the line, and we have a special project for you guys today.
We're doing something a little different today, a little bit outside of the crypto world, and Danny said it best. We're covering world markets.
As you mentioned already, Keon, gold and silver are some of the exotic metals are things that don't move in value as much as cryptocurrency, as stocks, as real estate, but it's something that we neglect because they don't drop in value as much as well. So when the market is going up, it's going up. Gold and silver and other exotic metals might not go up as much, might not raise in value as fast as some other investments might, but when it comes down to it, when they drop, they don't drop as hard. So you have a stable sort of investment that's going to grow over time, kind of like a mutual fund. It's not going to drop seriously in price, and it's not going to make you multi millions overnight. Doesn't work like that. So it's a safe play, and this is what these guys are doing. They're using the AI platform, they're using their gold and silver investments, they're using all these sorts of safe investments, safe plays in the cryptocurrency market to be able to offer you a whole package that's going to be able to diversify your portfolio. It's not just you got your investment in cryptocurrencies in this platform, you're using their exchange, or you're doing this and that. No, they're experts and they're professionals over there that are putting your investments toward high yields investments. So AI managed accounts, they have that in place, and that's going to bring you different sorts of profits depending on your risk analysis, depending on your risk tolerance. And so where are the possibilities, you guys? There's so many different things. As you guys can see at the top of the screen on this platform, it shows you all the different sorts of investments that they will put forward for you to grow your portfolio and make you guys a bigger income. So they've got a nice little video right here, and we can actually jump into it. Took a quick look at it earlier, and it tells you a little bit about the platform and discovering a whole new way of trading using advanced artificial intelligence to consistently outperform human trades, because we always make mistakes when we trade ourselves. Humans and people that actually are in the game, day trading, making huge investments, moving a lot of funds around, they get scared, they panic sell, the market drops, you start panic selling, you sell off all you got, and then you realize the market bounces back and you're like, oh damn, I sold over. So when you got a platform and AI, the whole emotion side of the game is taken out. You don't have to worry about trading at the right time. You don't have to worry about making the false trade because of the fact that you panic sold, or because you bought because of FOMO. There's a lot of FOMO going around. There's a lot of people buying different stocks, different sorts of cryptocurrencies as well, because of FOMO, and then ending up losing a lot of money when reality check hits them. So be careful with your investments, and let's just jump right into the video.
Or AI has been coined by some as mankind's last invention and is quickly changing the world as we know it. From farming to sophisticated home automation, AI is being rapidly taught through machine learning to comprehend real-world scenarios and perform far beyond the capability of humans. Welcome to World Markets AI Managed Accounts. World Markets has developed a new artificial general intelligence tool that is able to identify and execute trades across a vast variety of investment markets, including stocks and options, foreign exchange, gold, oil, cryptocurrencies, and agricultural commodities in real time. The AI tool can scan thousands of market positions, assess their investment potential, and execute trades that have the highest probability of success. The best part? Everything is done on your behalf with no experience required. Our AI tool removes risk through the removal of human emotion and is instead focused on analyzing news and technical analysis to make the most efficient and promising trades possible. Join us at worldmarkets.com to view verified performance statistics and learn how to get started on our digital investment platform. World Markets, your global investment portal.
Nice little video they have right there, kind of going over how you're going to use the sophisticated AI tool to be able to make different trades, to be able to grow your portfolio and make some huge profits over the next little while in cryptocurrency. So they've got a highly profitable platform by scanning a whole bunch of different opportunities that are available in the market for you to buy in, and better opportunities for you to sell off. Like, the platform is already doing all this stuff for you, so it's going to make it very easy for especially beginners to be able to jump into this.
Exactly, guys. It's all about diversification. You have to be in touch with crypto, stock market, commodities. That's a huge one. That's something I've been getting into a lot lately. Gold in general, it's a safety cushion whenever everything's going wrong in the stock market. You see right now the coronavirus is out, how all the markets are being impacted, the stock market, the crypto market. Something that's not being impacted, guys, gold. Whenever the world's going all over the place, gold is always going up. All these commodities are always doing well, and that's something you must have in your portfolio. And here we're here to introduce you guys the best of it, the best to do it in this commodities market. We're here to talk about world markets.
Same things that this platform are doing. They got a really nice, beautiful platform. They got the gold price, the silver price, BTC price, all outlined at the top. Everything's in one place for you to see. But this page right here is what's making all the noise. This is what we really want to get into, and we want to look at the AI managed based account, and it's a professional managed trading fund, and it's comfortable. It's so easy. You got a trader operated artificial intelligence system in place, a platform managed by trading accounts that's actually going to make you over 100% compound return over the last quarter is the number that they did. 100% compound return last quarter. So that means these guys are making money in the positives, these guys are making money in the negatives, and these guys are making money in anywhere in between that. So all throughout the year, as you guys can see, the percentages, 700% plus in gains. You don't see that, from any other sort of investment right now into the market.
The trajectory, look how the uprise going from 481 to 647, now 718. These are not normal results. You will not find these results anywhere. I said in the last video, the stock market has compounded 15% over the last 15 years. These guys have compounded 100% over the last quarter. Just one quarter, 3-month period, quarter, they've reached 100%. And that's exactly why they're doing what they're doing, why they are where they are, why they're verified by. Look at who they're verified by. Just look at these names. We've all been in the space. We know about Microsoft. Of course, we know about Microsoft AI, FX Stats, Barclay Hedge. These are not small players. These are the biggest players in the entire game. So it's amazing to see that they're doing what they're doing.
You guys are powered by Microsoft AI. No, it's not that they're verified or audited, registered. Those are all great and all, but some of the partners that these guys are actually making in the industry outside of even cryptocurrency, they're making some huge partnerships with some of the biggest companies I've ever seen, with top 500 companies in the US. They're making big deals. They're making a lot of moves, and we've seen projects do really well when it comes into having big partners. Big partnerships have made some projects very huge, and I have a good feeling about this. Now, throughout the bear market, while many investors were actually panic selling, they're selling off a whole bunch of BTC, they're scared, they're shook, their AI trading system was achieving returns far superior to alternative as a traditional form of asset. So these guys are making money when everyone was shook, selling off every single bit of BTC and Ethereum or whatever they were holding, TRON, TRX, whatever they were holding, is selling off every single little bit because they were so scared, and these guys were making money.
It's unreal to see. I'm very excited to see how they did, because if you guys follow the stock market, it's been in shambles. We just had the worst week since the recession in 2008. We just had the worst week, and I just know that these guys killed it. The fact that they're in commodities, the fact that even on downfalls they make so much money, I'm just excited to see how they're going to do this quarter with everything that's been going on negatively in the stock market and the crypto market.
But how does this whole world markets AI platform manage the accounts that are taking place all the time? They're working simultaneously. They've got a full service qualified financial firm. They've got a team of professional traders, tons of professional traders that actually take care of your account, look after your account, and ensure your account is always making money. You're automating your income. It's all passive. It's all about building passive income in 2020. And this is how you do it. You let somebody else run your account for you. You let the professionals do what the professionals are supposed to do, and you stick to doing what you're good at and just make money around the clock. So whole bunch of different features that they have on the platform. I cannot wait to see how these ones are actually going to work when I do end up using the platform a little bit more.
As you guys can see, you're not really the best in the industry unless you're winning things. You're not first place unless you win a first place trophy. That's kind of how it works. That's the whole idea about it. So you guys are probably wondering, what if these guys won? Where are they talked about? And this is just a list of all the global financial awards that they have actually won. And these are on a global scale. This isn't just best AI company in a state or even a country. These are global awards. So it's unreal to see that all the things they've been doing. You see here, they have something in Singapore, the Singapore Business Awards. That was just very recently in 2020, and that was listed to and given to world markets. They've won titles such as the best AI company, and it's just unreal to see that they're winning so many things, that they're talked about on so many different types of platforms.
Back in 2003, they've been around for a long time, and they were a precious metals dealer. They were in the industry for years, for a decade, to dealing with special metals, dealing with exotic metals, being a dealer, being that middleman, so they know what to buy, they know what to sell, they know when to hold, they know when to sell. So why would you not want to deal with somebody who is at this level of expertise in a certain field? This is when things start to add up. This is when the puzzles of the pieces of the puzzle start coming together. You know, guys have been in the industry for 10 years plus, dealing special metals, exotic metals, and now they've got the investments sitting in there. They're diversifying, because diversification is number one. And then they put together a platform like this. Look at how beautiful the platform actually is. If you want to use the platform, beautifully well put together, and you guys will be showcased the platform in a nice little video right here. You've got the trade order book right there, and you've got the news on the other side, on the right hand side. And this is a day trader heaven right here. You've got live news, you've got more news, you've got your totals right at the top, wallets on the side, order books, beautiful graph and chart in the middle. The chart looks beautiful in the middle. Moving forward to the next slide right here, as you're watching the video, you're looking at depositing funds, and you can deposit funds into your trading account with a whole bunch of different deposit features. You've got 0% deposit fee, so you're not being charged anything. Every single platform that I've seen is charging something for you to deposit. So pretty crazy that they don't have any fees on actually putting money in. And then it's very simple. You can be up and running in just a few seconds. Open an account. Links all will be in the description as well, so you guys can actually get into the platform and check it out very easy.
So they went over everything that they've been doing, the different compounded results they've been touching. As you guys saw, over 100% in just the last quarter alone. And it's not just that they're doing exponentially unbelievable results, but it's actually the way that they've been growing. So as you guys can see here, the different growth rates that they've been touching, you see that there's a minimum investment of 5,000 euros. That's just one of the portfolios, the WMAI managed account. So these guys, you have to be playing with a little tiny bit, because you want to see your numbers compound. And with 5,000, seeing that compound at hundreds and hundreds of percent, the sky's the limit. And just that's kind of how it is. They have a performance fee. Of course, they're making all this money. They're going to take their cut, little cut, 20% or 10% based on the type of membership that you have. We're going to be going over the memberships very shortly, so you guys can see. And of course, you see the results every month, green on green on green. Of course, there's only a couple little red months out of the whole bunch, so it's just unreal to see that they've been doing to.
Support is also out there for you. Whenever you guys want to get in touch with these guys, so easy to reach out, super down to earth, ready to answer questions. We're able to get in touch with some of the people over on their team and be actually able to coordinate some information being sent back and forth, so we could find out more about the platform before bringing it to the channel for you guys. And these guys were giving us everything that we needed, all the tools that we needed to figure out if these guys are going to be that platform of 2020, if these guys are going to be that huge platform 2020. And these guys are, the numbers speak for themselves. I mean, look at the numbers that they're putting, over 100% compound return in the last quarter, and the numbers don't lie. So this has to be one of the most complete platforms I have seen of 2020, in my opinion. I have not seen, you know, a platform being able to diversify your portfolio so extensively for you to be able to put money into gold, for you to be for you to be able to put money into gold, into silver, into cryptos, into digital assets, into everything, anything you can possibly think of, you can get into it and invest into it with this platform. So
Exactly, on the fly, daily.
Right.
Let us know. Do you guys like seeing this? You guys want to see more commodities? You guys want to see more crypto, more forex? We'll reach out. We'll actually look at these different. Allah, cut out the whole. We'll reach out.
Do it.
We'll bring out all of the best, all of the outperformers in the sectors that you guys want. And what we brought to you guys today, my friends, was an outperformer.
So complete.
World markets, when you hear of commodities, when you hear of AI.
Next one. Peace. For now. Peace.
Peace.